Yesterday, a leak suggested that the Apple was on the brink of announcing a product red finish for the latest generation of iPhones. Now the leak has been confirmed in Apple's announcement. It's just over a year since the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus product red special edition smartphones were revealed. Those were the first product red phones from Apple. And now the next contributors to the global funds which support HIV/AIDS programs have been officially unveiled. And as predicted, they are product red version of the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. So what does it look like? A whole new iPhone design arrived last September with the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. We just meant the product red edition has required a new design approach too, specifically because the latest iPhone have glass, not aluminum backs. As a result, the new iPhone has a strikingly different look. The aluminum edge band looks similar to the iPhone 7, but that's where the similarity ends. This time around, there's no antenna band visible at the phone's corners as that runs under the glass on the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. Anodized aluminum is matte, but glass of course is not, making for a bright eye-catching finish. Last year's iPhone product red handset looked significantly classier in the flash than they did in the photos, and it might be the same this time. It's clear that the glass back has a rich, sultry shade, and the absence of the antenna band around the top and bottom is a definite improvement too. I'll reserve final judgments until I see the real thing and will report back then, but these images are certainly a promising start. What about the Touch ID button? Good question. Last year, Apple decided that though the edge and rear of the iPhone 7 product red would be decidedly, red, the ring around the Touch ID button wouldn't. It was the same silver color as on the silver iPhone 7. Similarly, the Apple logo on the rear of the phone, which is made of stainless steel rather than aluminum, was uncolored, unlike on the regular iPhone 7 models, where the logo was color matched to the aluminum around it. This year Apple has taken a whole new approach and specifically responded to those critics last year who said product red phone would look better with a black instead of a white frame around the display. The frame is now black, and the Touch ID button is black to match. Last year the logo really jumped out at you, because it was a contrasting shade. And Apple has gone down the same route this year too. So that logo is still an attention grabber. Please give us a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.